City Vlogs. Welcome to Flow City Vlogs, and if you're new here, subscribe. You don't have to subscribe and share it to your friends, family, whatever. So, what I'm going to be doing is going outside. So, let's go. So guys, I'm going to show you guys my treehouse. It's not a treehouse, my hideout. And then let's go, okay? Well, let's go. Boom, I'm back. So, I'm going to run there so you can see my hideout. I don't feel like running. I'ma just walk. So, what I'm going to be doing is walking the other way. So when I get to the other side, I'll be back with you guys. To the other side of the thing. So yeah, I am going to walk by this frightened woods so you guys can see my hideout. So technically I will be vlogging every day, doing something creativity, because it's always good to go and see nature. So after my hideout, we're going to just go to nature. So I'm not going to vlog that much because you know how the space is. So guys, we're at the park. I'm going to give you guys a tour. So yeah. So this is the look of it. So let me show you the door. I'm going to show you my where we enter. This is the door. And I had to clean it all up. I found these on the floor, like over in the woods, so I carried it over here and stand it up like this and cleaned it. These are the two seats I found here. I got that somewhere, I found that and put it there. And I found that and I put it there. And I got this basketball hoop. And yeah, these two are seats, by the way. So this is the basketball hoop that I played basketball. I don't know why. There is spiders. But yeah, this is a basketball hoop. I sometimes get my ball and throw it in here. This is so it doesn't fall back and the ball doesn't go past. And that rock is to hold it there. And that there is when we throw the ball and it gets over, it hits that. So yeah, it's pretty much my hideout. So I gotta clean up. Once I get it cleaned up, I'll give you guys another tour. This is my selectables. I got sticks, and also I got this. I'm gonna do something with it. So yeah, my selectables. So this is the tour. You can see around me. This, I'm gonna draw something on here. So yeah, I'm gonna walk. Hold on, I'm gonna turn the camera around. So yeah, that was a good tour. So I'm gonna go back to the front, see where there's nature, so we can look at nature all around, because it's good looking at nature by one, and two, it's good by not being on the phone that much. So I'm gonna go to the front and look for nature. So yeah, check you guys back in a minute. So guys, I need to find nature. So what I'm going to do is look around, look on the floor, and yeah, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, look. These woods. Big woods. And I can even give you a walk. Well, I can't go in. I can just give you a look through. Yes, my head over there, looking through the books. And let me show you guys. Hold on, we're gonna have to walk. It's the prom. Have to make you look away. So this is like a garden someone had made or something. Someone had like did this to it. Like there's a bee, big giant bee right there and there. So yeah, it's wood. Let me get out of here before I get stuck. So yeah, that looks nice. There's a bunch of bees up there. So I'm gonna find something else, nature, and then yeah. So yeah, you can see this. So let me turn the camera around so you guys can walk. So you guys can take the nature walk with me. So let's go on a nature walk. So we're going to start this right over there. So yeah, I found some of these. Let me find a nice one for you guys. This one. See? You do it right back on again. And this one. Yeah. Let's go back. What is going on, nature walk? Like, I'm not allowed to go far. And I know that, so I'm not gonna go far. I'm just gonna walk along this grass up there to the other side. Oh yeah, so that's not far. So let's just walk. So instead there's a snake around here, so I have to be careful. So yeah. I'm just walking. Found wood with nails on it. Oh, mushroom. You guys want to see the mushrooms? We can't touch them now. There's one. There's someone that like knocked it down or something. There's a lot of mushrooms. Like this one. I can show you this one, but it's all the way over there. So yeah. So I'm just walking. So we're just gonna walk. I'm not allowed to go over there. So when I walk by, I'll take a picture and put it in the vlog. Cause I'll post this tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. I'm gonna post this today. But I'm gonna post this today. So yeah, yo. I got bit in my eye, yo. Look, the mosquito. Well, that's okay. You know why? It's nature. We're going on a nature walk. So of course I'm gonna get bitten. So we're just gonna walk. Have to be very careful going on in nature. Oh, almost fell. If I fall, you guys will be with me. So it doesn't matter if I fall or not, because you guys will be with me. So if I fall, don't be scared, because I will be okay. Okay. I don't want to get on flat ground, because it's nature. Supposed to walk on the grass. I'm gonna walk up there. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna walk up there, then come back. Come back down just for the squirrel. That scared the world out of me. See, it's nature. You want to see the squirrel? See, look. I'm gonna video it. Hold on. Let me get a little bit closer so you guys can see it. Why I walk up this hill. Hold on, you can't see it. It's right there. I'm gonna turn the camera. But yeah, it's cool up here. I'm walking up long grass So I'm gonna walk back down. So yeah, I'm gonna get out because there's a squirrel there. Well, I'm gonna just walk a pond over here. It's not that bad. I'm not scared of nature at all. So, because squirrels is part of nature life. You can see everything if I stand there. I hear something scratching. So look. Hear that? I'm gonna get out. I hear definitely something in the trees. So I'm gonna turn the camera back around. Oh yeah. I'm gonna walk behind here to there. And then be down because there's definitely a cat. And then I'll turn the camera back around because I want you guys to see that. Because it's all about nature. So look. You can see all the pretty things. I got bit everywhere. Ooh, to mosquitoes. Ooh, to mosquitoes. Hate mosquitoes. Boo to mosquitoes. Okay. Look at the nature. Look, that looks like an animal went through there. And I could just show you. The animal went right here. Through here, I can tell an animal went through there. But yeah, I'm brave. I'm not scared at all. And if I get hurt, you guys are with me. How can I get hurt if you guys are with me? See, look over there. Tons of nature. There's this little cat that walks around sometimes, which I don't see him that much often. But when I'll make sure I have my phone with me when I'm outside, and when he comes, I'll record him. I won't go next to him, I'll be far, but I'll make sure I'll record him. So yeah, this is all nature here. This is near apartments. I live next to a park, so like there's some spiders here. Which I'm not that, I am scared of, but who needs to be scared? Yeah, look. The cat is scared of me. I do have one cat which I have to ask permission because it belongs to someone. So yeah. So I have to see if when the cat goes to the window, she'll let me film him. But I barely see him, so no, I don't really need to film him. So I'm back. So that was the nature walk. So yeah. So I'm gonna turn this camera on. Okay. Turned it around. I have some friends in here. So, okay. So that's the end of the video. Welcome to Felicity Vlogs and have a nice day. Woo! Okay, bye. And see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, let me give you guys an update. I will be vlogging every day, so don't worry. So yeah, bye. Look at the cat. It's running away. Hey guys, guess what? I saw a cat and I just filmed it. So guys, you have a nice day. I filmed the cat so you guys can see it. It didn't get me, so that's fine. So, goodbye and have a nice day. So yeah. Okay guys, you guys have an awesome night. I love you guys so much. So, bye.